Okay, this is a video of where the mounts go for the lifting eye. That's this right here. I still need to clean this up. That's for those watching live. This sits here, goes this way. I managed to break the cap. And I got something playing in the background. Okay, here we have the lifting eye mounting at this point. Here is the original heat shield for the cylinders. So we have one here. I still need to cut this out. And these two go in place right here. So these are installed correctly. Take a look and notice that you have a longer bolt, a short bolt, a longer bolt, short bolt, just like that all the way across. So I'm going to stop this video and turn the engine around. Okay, let's see. Here is the way this is should be configured, and it's not. Basically, you have the 3 bolts. One, let's set this here. Okay, you have one here, the second one over. One should be here, and it's not, and one should be here. They put this bolt in the wrong spot. So I need to remove this bolt, and install them, flip them around. That's what I'm going to do. As a matter of fact, since I'm here, let me walk to the other side so you can see how you have 1, 2, 3 on this side of the engine, and on the other side it should go 1, 2, 3. Again, I'm going to take care and work that right now. Okay. This stud needs to move to this location. Okay. See, it has Loctite on it. Let me set up a torque wrench. Okay, I have this set to 30 foot-pounds. Let me try not to be in the way of the camera. Here we go. Here's this one. Yep. All right. Just a little tight, but that's okay. Okay.